Wait. My turn?
Sure.
Okay. So,
Go ahead.
well, disclaimer. Uh, I have again not experienced this. I've just heard it can be fake. It can be unrealistic. But ठीक है. Horror is fun. So yeah. Okay, let's get started. ठीक है. So, story is about a family. Okay, consisting of 3 members: father, mother, and their only single child. Okay, so once what happens is that so this family is it's like normal middle class. Okay, and due to some unfortunate circumstances, they lose all their wealth. Like their father, he just what do you call, he loses things. He loses his money, he loses his entire property and everything. He just, unfortunate. And he could not bear the loss. Like, he was saddened by the fact that he did whatever he did. So he just dies. He dies of the pain. He couldn't take it. And thereby leaving his wife and his only son abandoned. And no place for them to go. They're just there. They're just going from one place to another. Just like, what do you call that? Homeless guys. So they, after going from after traveling for like 1 or 2 weeks, and this is everything in a city, right? There's nothing like this, not in some village story. It's everything in a city. So after going here and there from 2 weeks, putting up all the savings that they had, a bit of gold, a bit of good saris or whatever, like they just had to give up everything. They gave, and after 2 weeks of continuous giving, they came to a place, a small place, and it was obviously surrounded by people. It was a very small part of a city, like, what do you call that? Chawls of, like, similar like slums and chawls of Mumbai, some place of that sort. So they came and they decided they'll stay. So they started staying, and now the question was money, right? They had to survive, so it was money. The lady, she started working now. She even expected her son to start working, but for some reason he was not supportive of this thought. He didn't like to work. He said he would not want to do something as okay. So because they were coming from a good reputed family, it was very odd for him to work in a very menial job. He was not ready to do. So he questioned his mother that, and he blamed things on them. It's because of them that he's experiencing whatever he is. He's into this understanding. He's into this current situation because of them, because of their wrongdoings. So he was very rigid. I didn't want to work with it. So he goes out. I mean, he just thrashes his mother's things. He arrogance, right? He just bangs the door and he just goes out. Goes on. He just doesn't come back for 2-3 days. He just goes and just be somewhere, roams here and there and nothing. Then he comes back after 3 days. He comes back and his mother is doing some job, like probably cooking or something. He goes to her. He's like, Mom, you have a ring. Let's just sell it. It's diamond. We'll get good money. Let's just sell it. His mother looks at him furiously. She's like, no, we're not doing that. This is the only thing that I'm left with. It is the only, sign, or it is the only thing. I can't remove it. It is stuck in my fingers. He says, "You're lying. I'll remove it. Give me a chance." He says, "Okay, try it. Take my finger, try it." The boy pulls hard. He tries his level best. Tries his best to get the ring out. But boy, that ring, it just didn't move. His mother started shouting in pain, "Just stop, it's hurting me. It's not coming out. Let it be. It would not come out. Let it be. Let me go. Let the ring be." He just doesn't listen. Tries harder. He uses everything. He applies soap and he tries. The finger starts bleeding because of the friction. He still doesn't give up. Even more angry, even more frustrated now. He goes out. Leaves his mother like that. He goes out. Leaves her in pain and he goes out. Comes back again in the night. His mother is sleeping now. Slowly, tiptoes, walks into the kitchen, takes a knife, moves toward his mother, and cuts her finger. Mother starts shouting. She's in her sleep. She wakes up, pain. She just wakes up and she starts shouting. She starts crying, howling. And he takes the finger, takes the, cut finger, swabs the ring from the back, throws the finger, and just rushes out. Leaves her mother like that. He just, leaves her in pain. He goes. Now he has a ring, right? He just doesn't look back. So he goes, sells the ring again. Things start looking up in his favor. He meets good, situations. Things happen. Things starts happening nicely to him now. He settles for good money. Now he started earning. Now he's probably he's a grown-up guy now. He starts earning. And he's earning very well. He's among good, fortunate people now. He's in the, what do you call that? Prosperous people. He marries. He marries to one of the most beautiful women that he considers. Marries to. So now they're a good family of two, right? So now, again, one day, they were supposed to attend a party. Okay? So, first they decide they don't want to go. But then his wife, she wanted to. So, they were like, okay, let's go. And they went. So, they went to the party. And they came back. As in, they were just coming back. And while coming back, they had to cross a patch of forest. Okay? And both of them are sitting and they are traveling in a forest and there's nobody in and around, right? So, and slowly something happens, probably an animal or something, and he stops the car. Abruptly stops it. So they, it's what do you call, because of the what do you call, jerk and everything, they injure themselves, they get hurt. So he goes on. So now they're like, he hit the car very badly. The airbags have been out now, so they have injured themselves, right? So the guy comes out of his car fully, confused. What has happened? Confused and unaware. Like, it just happened. He's basically in a concussion state. Comes out, sees his wife, goes and pulls her out of the car, right? He sees the car in a very bad state. His wife is, she also cut her forehead. She's got a cut on her forehead now because of the glass. So he's crying out for help, but nobody came. Slowly, he, picks her up. And they decide that they would keep walking until they find something. So they started walking. Half an hour passed. He was still carrying her. She was, barely conscious. She was almost like half in the state, not remembering what is exactly happening. She was just there with him. He was trying to keep her awake, trying to do everything in his power to, and after some more time, he started, so he was trying to keep her awake, right? So now out of suddenly, she just stopped responding. She got all tense, like, why are you not responding? So in full harsh tone, like, why are you not responding? So now he starts crying out for help, like, help, somebody, just come and help. And nobody comes. And so he's like, crying, he's in, shouting, howling. And that is when he sees a house. It's a small hut. So he just rushes towards that hut, assuming, he would get some help, something. Goes there. Okay. So he knocks. An old lady opens the door. Right. She opens and he's like, yes. He's like, I need some help. She's not well. We just hit our car, and he explains the whole story. So she's like, yeah, come in. I'll help you. Takes her in, rests her on the bed, and she gets some water. So he gives the water to his wife, and she's in a conscious state now, right? So now the old lady, she offered, would you guys like to eat something? Right? So they say no, because they were coming from a party, and although yes, they have walked, but still they didn't have an appetite to eat. He said no. She said, खाना पड़ेगा. They're like, okay, ठीक है. They looked at each other. They're like, and the way she was looking at them, like, they were like, okay, ठीक है, हम लोग खाएंगे. And she was like, की. And she comes with a plate, okay, with a finger missing.
Oh.
She gives the plate. Okay. And the boy takes the plate. His hands are shivering now. His hands are completely shivering. Right? आपकी उंगली को क्या हुआ? He asks. Looks at him. The lady looks at him. He's like, still looking at him. Then he asks again. Then the guy looks at his wife first. And then he asks again, आपकी उंगली को क्या हुआ? तुमने मेरी उंगली काटी थी. That is what he says, and the guy just loses his sleep, and he just, falls there, scared, traumatized.
That's the end.
Yeah.
Creepy.
Cool. Nice. Guys, जिसको डर लगा प्लीज कमेंट करना. जिसको नहीं लगा अगली बार लग जाएगा. फिर भी कमेंट कर देना भाई, अच्छा लगता है. ठीक है. And if you guys have experienced something horror, या फिर what do you call non-explainable phenomenons,
paranormal experiences,
comment down below.
Comment them.
Let us know.
Comment them down below, or
so that or DM us
on social media.
Reach out to us on Instagram. Yes, we are. Or if you really want to do it in a professional way, then mail us. And yes,
you're doing it.
I think that's all for this video. AD?
Yeah.
So yes, guys. Until next time.
Signing off.
Yes. Until next time, signing off from AK and AD Show. See you again.
Goodbye.